Good afternoon. My name is Ramprasad. I have been assigned by my lecturer to screen record a video of me testing out the commands in the text terminal of Ubuntu operating system. As you can see, this is the interface of the Ubuntu operating system. Let's go into the terminal application. And there you go. This is the text terminal of the Ubuntu operating system. So we will be checking out some commands. So the first one we will be looking at is the print working directory command, which in short stands for pwd. So basically this command is actually used to find out what directory you are currently in. So type pwd and click enter. And there you go. It shows you what directory you're currently in. And next, the list command. The list command, or in short stands for ls, lists all files in your current working directory. So type ls and click enter. And there you go. It shows you the files and directories. But bear in mind that the ls command doesn't actually show you all the entries in a directory. In order for you to see all the files, then you can use this command, ls space dash a, click enter. There you go. And now, if you wish to see detailed information on files and directories, you can use this command, ls space dash a, add an L to the back and click enter. There you go. So much information. As you can see, this is the permissions. This is the date and time that the file and directories were created in, and the name of the files and directories. And the next command we will be looking at is the man space ls command. So basically this command is actually a user manual and it provides help information for the ls command. Click enter. There you go. If you wish to quit, press Q and you're back here. There is also another command which is info space ls. This is actually the same, but I find that this command is actually more helpful than the man space ls command. Click enter. Press Q if you wish to quit and you're back here. And the next command we'll be looking at is the mkdir command. So basically the mkdir command is actually used to create directories. So in this case, I would like to create a directory with the name Alexander. Bear in mind that after the mkdir, leave a space and then go to your name. And now click enter. To check that the directory has been created, type ls and click enter. And as you can see, the Alexander directory has been created. And if you wish to remove a directory, you can use the rmdir command, space, In this case, I would like to remove the Alexander directory. Now click enter to check that the directory Alexander directory has been removed. Type ls and click enter. And as you can see here, the Alexander directory is no more as it has been removed. And now we will be looking at the cd command. So the cd command is actually used to change the current working directory to a path. So type cd space the name of your directory. So in this case, I will be taking the ROM directory. Now click enter. And as you can see, it has changed. And now, if you have changed into a directory and you want to return to the original one, you can use this command cd space dash and now enter. And you're back to the original one. And the next command we will be looking at is the cp command. Cp command is actually used to copy files or directories. So in this case, I would like to copy the contents of directory John into the directory RAM. So type cp space dash r and space John space RAM and now click enter. And if you wish to check that the contents of directory John has been copied into the RAM directory, go to files, click RAM, and as you can see, the contents of the directory John is in the directory. It has been copied into the RAM directory. Let's go back. We will be looking at the mv command next. So basically, the mv command stands for move. It actually allows you to move files or directories, and you can also rename the files or directories. So in this case, I would like to rename the directory John into another name. So type mv space John. Now wish to rename the directory John to 7. Now click enter to check that the directory John has been renamed to 7. Type ls. Now click enter. And as you can see, directory John has been renamed to 7. And the next command we will be looking at is the rm space dash r command. So basically this command is actually used to delete directories or files. So let's check. So in this case, I would like to delete or remove the RAM directory. And so I've typed it in here, and now I have clicked enter and check that the directory RAM has been removed. Type ls and click enter, and the file has been removed. And the next command we will be looking at is the cat command. So basically the cat command is actually used to create files. So let's check it out. So cat space the more than symbol and space the name of the file that you want to create. So I would like to name this file Prasad. Click enter and now press Ctrl and D. Now click ls. Type ls to check that the file Prasad has been created. And there you go. It is here. And now, if you wish to remove the file, you can use this command rm space dash I and the name of the file that I want to remove. But bear in mind that the rm space dash I command is actually used so that when you're deleting or removing a file, you will be asked before the files are deleted. So let's show you an example. So once you've typed this in, click enter and you get a pop-up message saying remove regular empty file result. And so type yes and click enter. And to check that the file Prasad has been removed, type ls and click enter. And there you go, the file has been removed. And if you wish, create a file and add text to the file. This is how you do it. So let's create a new file first. cat, as I've shown you earlier, the more than symbol. So let's get another name for a new file. Let's take Google. Now click enter. So now that you're here, you can add anything you want. So I'm gonna put here my name is wrong. Once you're done with that, press Ctrl and D. And now if you wish to display the content of the file Google, you can just type in the command cat space Google. Now click enter and there you go. It displays the content of the file Google. And that is all for me today. These are all the commands that I've tested out today. Thank you.